Now to start off with our drawing of a knight, let's begin with the helmet. So let's start right here, and we're just going to make a line that's going to curve up and down. Next, let's go ahead and make that line one more time, right across the top. Starting here, let's go up to a point, and then we're going to come down like this, so it looks like there's a triangle. Next, we're going to make a nice big curve right across the top for the top of the helmet. Inside of here, let's make some skinny oval shapes for a little bit of detail. On top of here, let's make a little bump. Next, we're going to make this big kind of furry, feathery looking design. So we're going to make a little pointed line like this. Then we're going to make a couple more points and bring it back. Next, starting here, let's make a nice big smiley face for the face. Then let's draw another smiley face right inside of here. Let's make a circle for an eye, and then we'll go ahead and make another circle for an eye right over here. Let's draw a small circle inside of here, color in most of it, leaving a little bit white. We'll do the same thing here. This is going to be the pupil inside the eyes. Next, let's make a little bump for the nose. Then let's do a line across for the mouth. And then a nice big smiley face. Let's draw a sad face for the tongue. And one more line across for the teeth. And just go ahead and color this part in for the mouth. You can also give your knight some eyebrows too. Now right here, let's make a shield for our knight to hold. So starting right here, let's make a line that's going to come down. And then let's go back up. It kind of looks like the letter V. Then we can just start right here and connect it. Let's draw that same shape right inside of here. So let's make this little kind of curvy line. And then let's go ahead and make this big V shape. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to go over here for the body. Then let's make a little curve shape here for some detail. Let's make a line across here for a belt, and then we'll do two lines here for the belt buckle. Let's go down and curve up, and then we'll just curve right here towards the shield. Let's go down, over, and then up for a leg, and then same thing here, down, over, and then up. We can make a little line across, so it kind of looks like there's armor on the legs. We'll make a little line that just goes out and comes back in. Same thing here, we're just going to go out and come right back in. We can make a little line right across the bottom of the foot. And even a little line here, so it's got some detail. Right here, let's draw a line that comes out for the arm. And then let's draw a little circle shape for the thumb. Let's make an oval shape right here. And then let's bring the slime back. And then we can put 2 lines on here for some detail. Let's make a little rectangle shape right across here for the sword. And then we'll make a little circle at the bottom with a smaller circle inside of it. Let's make a line that goes up, and then another line that comes up here. And then put a little point on the top. Then we'll make a small line coming down here for a little bit of detail on the sword. And there you go, there's your drawing of a little cartoon knight. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.